Hello friends, this is Yasir Munir and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a React Native drawer navigation. So let's start. Simply I open my editor from here. This is the basic screen of my app. I remove all these on this tool and delete these screens and create your project from scratch. Okay, so first of all go to Google and here write React navigation, hit enter, click the first tab. This is the 5th version of React Native. Okay, go to the docs. First of all, you have to install this dependency. Simply copy this and paste it here. I already installed this, that's why I didn't install it here. After that, install this dependency for Expo, but if you don't use Expo, then install this dependency from here to here. But I already installed this too, so I didn't install it here too. This is it for here, and for iOS install port 2, and after the installation of all the dependencies add this line in index.js or app.js. Here I add this in index.js. Where my index.js file is located, that located in here index.js, and you can see this line has been added. I again copy this and paste it here. Okay, that's it. Close this. After all these installation, simply go to drawer navigation from here and install this dependency too. This is the most important dependency because specifically this dependency indicates the drawer navigation. Without this dependency and other dependency, your drawer didn't work. Okay, so after the completion of dependency, you can see from package.json my drawer dependency installed, my React Native gesture handler installed, React Native navigation installed. These two dependencies are important. This is not important for us now. Anyhow, so I installed the dependencies. Now let's add a drawer. So for drawer, simply copy these two lines from here and paste it here, and after that copy this line. This create an object of drawer. So we copy this and paste it here. This create a object named drawer of this line that import from drawer. Okay, now let's start. Now the next step is simply copy this from here. This is actually a functional component. You can also use it in class component if you want to install it in class component. So simply copy this return from here and paste it here. Okay, this navigation container came from here, and this drawer is basically the object that we use here. Okay, simply comment these two lines. So this is basically your project. I remove this line too. Okay, now actually this is your drawer. The next step is to add screens in drawer. First of all, if you want to add home screen like this or notification screen, let's create it. I create a folder here, but if I add this folder from scratch too, simply add here new folder named screen, and inside this screen add a new file name just like my home screen.js. and the second screen name is my second screen.js, and the third one is my third screen, my third screen.js. Okay, simply add something here. So I add here a simple template just like this. Simply copy this from here and paste it here. Don't worry about this. This is basically a class component which I added here. Okay, if you want to add here a functional component, then you can also change it into a functional component. I can change it in future or by another tabs. And you write here my home screen, okay, and name this class my home screen. Copy this and paste it here too, okay, and give here a styling. So add a style is equal to, what if I give here an inline styling? So add here flex is 1, align item is center, and justify content is also center, okay, and background color is yellow. Control save, and this is for the format of my home screen. Let's copy this and paste it here. Just change the name, my second screen. Copy this, paste it here and paste it here too, okay. Give here a space, okay, and then copy all this and paste it here too. Copy, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. Give here a color pink and here white or green. That's it. As I said, if you want to change it into a function component, so for that simply remove this render function from here, remove one curly braces here, remove this, name it as const function name, and give here an arrow function. That's it. Now this is my function component. So let's move to my home page or app.js page. Simply import those 3 files from here. Simply import here, import, give a name for my home screen. Just I give here my home from, give here a path dot screen, and after that my home screen. Save from others, import my second from screen and my second screen, and then import my third from screen and my third screen. Save this, and these are 3 screens which I import from here, here and here in app.js file. Okay, I give here a path correctly. Now add here the path. Okay, First of all, I use here less than sign. After that, use this object, this one. You can also give this object another name, just like drawer or use drawer. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Use drawer dot screen. Now here name of screen, name is equal to, you can give here any name. If you want to give a title, then you also use here title in an option, so use it later. Now I just give here name home screen. Okay, and after that component, in my component add this name because we call this class. Okay, simply paste it here, copy this and paste it here. So this is my home page and only one page for my drawer. After that I copy this line and paste it here. Change name, just change name by my, or I give here second week, and path is my second. And you can see the color of this and this is changed because in my home I use class component and in my second screen I use function component. That's why the color of these two objects are changed. Okay, so simply copy this and paste here our third screen, my third. Copy this and give here a name third. That's it. Control save and let's run our project in emulator. And my emulator is open successfully. Now simply I write here npx react native run android. Hit enter. Okay, our app is running and it gave us an error of variable drawer. So let's check in our app.js. We use here use drawer and somewhere we use drawer. Here we use drawer. Simply write here to use drawer. Use drawer. That's it. Control save. And here we go. This is our home screen. And when I drag from here, this is my second screen. And this is my third screen. Again control save, and by default the initial screen is home screen. What if I use this third screen as my initial screen or by default screen? For that simply write here initial root name is equal to and the name of the screen, and that is third screen. Copy this and paste it here. Control save. And you can see our default state is now my third screen. If I drag this from here, and you can see by default our third screen is open and these screens are also usable. If I add here Control S, then you can see our by default screen is third screen. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.